saying. Let me show this. I remember when we went to the commissions for the first time. The question we had was that when you come before us, are you not holding already the conclusion in your hands? They said to us, no, it's not like that.
Adi boncheng gape gore pele ga commission bona ba ga sekhukhune ka bo bona ba boditse commission gore lapa la bo bona la bo goshila go bopedi ke lapa la ga Malekutu le go lapa le.
Let me also indicate that the people at Marudeng Sekhukhune said to the commissions that the senior or the higher family for the throne is the family of Malekutu, which is this very family.
I remember one of the commission rena ka moka le bana ba le bohlabiro ba bo KK ka moka le bona magoshena ba le fawe wa sorana ka matso pele ga commission wa kitiwa pele ga commission ba go fedile bo goshi bo wetsi madulong ka lapelelo.
And I remember when we were together there that we held hands and we sang together, clapping together, celebrating that, oh, now the kingdom or the kingship has gone back to its royal place at Malekutu's family.
Unfortunately, commission is very decision.
Unfortunately, this commission came here already having concluded what they had in their minds. Something I want to indicate now is what Dr. Patlane has said is that in our tradition as Bapedi, the family that is the royal family becomes one, and they are not and cannot be two.
As long as la palelo golo le gona ka family, there is no way our la palele nyane di ka usha la palelo golo ga gone go pelo ba nnete.
We cannot allow the lower family to have power over the senior family. It doesn't work that way in our own culture as Bapedi Marota people. We as the Bapedi Marota people are not going to allow such.
And we know what
what we know is because Ryan has taken the rights for the mining.
Interest ya mmuso a mo le commission tshwanetse ibile gore ba fe morala ene bo goshi gore ba tšee ba ikhumisha ka tswana ifamtse tša batho.
Now the reason for the commission and the government to take this kingship to the other family is that they want to enrich themselves with the farms.
So as long la palele golo ke ibusheleja as long la palele golo le gona la palele nyane ga di bushela palele golo.
We say as long as there is this high royal family, the lower family cannot have power to rule.
And the worst part gore the very same dictator godimo ga gagwe go ne le malapa a mabedi a existang a mo fetang.
The worst thing is that there are still two more families above the one who is ruling now. It is the family of Malekutu and the family of Magolpole that is higher than the family of Tulare, which is ruling now.
The small senior house of Bapedi, in
order for Sekhukhune to rule, he must make sure that he eliminates first Malekutu and second Magolpole family.
And at the same time,
he must also kill his two brothers and their children.
As long as Tulare Agasto aba khoshima ga bona bo bedi regardless of what the politiki bo di mamangjewe mosomo ke khoshi ya di mine because every time ga bolela to bolela ka di mine.
So then therefore Whether the politicians or anybody who has the right to say so will say he is a king, we are saying no to that as the higher family, royal family.
And ikusha bohloko bana ba nshiba sa motsedi ngwane la dina la gagwe dina la gagwe go la ka lona ile mo araba monna ya magweng dina la gagwe ke Magaleng Twambe.
People don't know that his real name is Magaleng Twambe, not who is called today.
And we are not babedi we never had such a name. In
the organogram of our Pedi kingdom, we don't have the name of that nature to rule. Let me indicate here that the mother to Victor's Tulare is our aunt, our younger aunt in our family. In our own way, our own tradition, when we marry a cattle wife, we marry a woman who has never had a child. Unfortunately, when Tulare's mother went to Marodeng to become a cattle wife, he already had 4 children. In our own culture, that is a taboo. It doesn't happen.
The firstborn son of a
in our own way, our own culture, the first son must be the king. Something that dismays us is that the third one is taken to be the king, while we expect the first one to be the king.
As long as
we say this is not how things should go. As long as we are there as Bapedi people, will make sure that things follow the right order that is known in our country.
Dr. Patani, something, or if maybe there's a push, my feeling on Bapedi, low fit organize some one doing worry. Nala za la chabo bolela selo mo bo pedi mo nto mo le mo re tswa le tswa ma ile je ba bolela gore ba dulodiya ba le bele gore ba tswela pele ga go senyegile ka mokgwa ba di jeletsa to di tswela ka mo.
As Dr. Patani he said, we will make sure we march to Pretoria, and where it takes, we will also make sure we take back all those farms that make these people think they are kings as they own them.
Jalo bimbaga aske rasnya na go silence se segolo sa rena sa Bapedi go gore go shogolo ga Bapedi go swanetse go boema dulong go boela pele swanetse go e go la pela ga malekutu ka la pale ona Bapedi le gona.
In order to honor time, let us make sure that the kingship of the Barota Bapedi people goes back to the rightful place, which is Malukutu family, where we are today.
And luckily, the very same family in Belalanga Yona, the firstborn son Yona,
we are happy because the very same family of Malukutu, the firstborn son, is Bauba Angwato in Omampuru.
The more history of Mazulu, for example, Shaga, or a Hologia, Hashaga is a Hosh, or a Hologia, Hosh Mazulu. We jere gamgala we jo ofinya yela ba maswanjo ebe khoshika go molaya motho ela wa ntsaska gona go ba le bana la bala go la tswala la se go.
In many other cultures, for example, if we look at the Zulu nation, Shaka killed the rightful person. Thereafter, people who were supposed to be in the king in that particular family all did not exist. Let me indicate here that even Shaka himself did not have children. Because of the fact that Shaka did not have children,
ba molaya gomme Dingana kgona go tšea bogoši joo.
Dingana and Tangana, his other brothers, killed him, and Dingana took over the reign.
Ka baka la gore ka morago ga gore Shaka a robale lapa leo a senge le kgona go tswela pele le ba gona.
Because after Shaka died, there was no more an heir to the throne.
Jalo sa go kša bohloko gore mo bopedi lapa le le phelago le pulete le phelago ile go le legolo ba le tšeela bogoši ene le tšeela ke mmušo wa rena le tšeela ke bona dipolotiki le tšeela ke dikgotho ba lebeletše mafale ka kwa Dubai ga le ka ba thomalanya ko la lebelela dilo go tša diphiri tše kgolo.
Unfortunately, the fact is today, the family here at Maroda Bapedi family, which exists as the higher or the rightful family, is here, but people don't recognize it. Instead, the government, the politicians, and other interested parties look at other things, other people for the kingdom.
Mara e nngwe e le gore go ke itšweletse mo pele ga nna ke gore le Marota re kopane bana ba Thulare a ke le tseba gore Thulare was the founder of the kingdom of Bapedi.
As the people, the children of Tulare, we have come together, and you know, all of us, that Tulare is the founder of Bapedi polity.
Taba ye re gare re a e lwantšha re nyaka go bona re le mara ba Thulare re le selo se se tee bogoši bo boetse madulong ka tsela e swana le e swanetšego.
We have held hands together to make sure that the kingship goes to the rightful people, to rightful family, and we work together and walk together side by side as heirs of the kingdom of the Bapedi people.
And ye mafelelo go gore taba ele ya rena ya marapo e yona re le Bapedi re godimo ga yona ene ditshepišo di bona tše le gore re di golofetše.
Lastly is that the remains of King Mampuru II is not vanished from the air, the clean air. We are after it. We'll make sure that we successfully deal with it.
Ke a leboga.
Re a leboga.